We need to adjust the placement here by at least 5 millimeter. Okay, I will inform the team to shift the boundary markers.
Check this spot here, it needs another pass.
Like side tack film.
Got it, I'll have the roller come back over it. All right, bring it down slow, easy, easy. Looks good right there. Keep it coming back, easy now, watch your left.
Yeah.
All right, you're clear, pull up to the next chute. Smooth this section right here.
Watch the edge near the drain.
Got it, let's hit that spot again.
The deviation here is minimal, less than 3 millimeters. Yes, the straight edge confirms the smoothness.
I've marked the coordinates on the tablet. Check the alignment at 50 feet. Yeah. Looks good from here. Ready to snap the line.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the clearance. Okay, hold it right there. Got the first bolt in. Looks good, secure it.
The compaction levels look good, well within the required density.
Okay, cross-reference that with the laser profile. We need to ensure grade adherence before sign-off. Looks good. That's the last one on the list. All right, let's pack it up.